Namaskar and good evening. Today we will discuss about an interesting company called PIRAMAL Enterprises Limited. Mr. A.PIRAMAL is the chairman of the PIRAMAL Group. DR.SWATI A.PIRAMAL is the vice chairperson of the PIRAMAL Group. ANAND PIRAMAL, their son, is the executive director PIRAMAL Group. He is also a non-executive director of the PIRAMAL Enterprises Limited, which we are going to discuss, and he is also the founder of PIRAMAL Realty. Now you would have heard the name of ANAND PIRAMAL in the very recent past. He is married to ISHA AMBANI, the only daughter of the number one entrepreneur of India, Mukesh Ambani. The two families are well matched, and it's a love marriage come arranged marriage. And ANAND PIRAMAL has studied at the Harvard Business School and also the University of Pennsylvania. Now, immediately after marriage, ANAND PIRAMAL seemed to have had a discussion with Mukesh Ambani ji, in which he asked him, I want to be a consultant or a banker, something like that. What is your advice? But Mukesh told him very clearly that being a consultant is like watching cricket or commenting about cricket, while being an entrepreneur is like playing cricket. You can't learn how to play cricket by commenting. If you want to do something, be an entrepreneur in the long term and start now. So this is the best advice that he could have had from the father-in-law, and now he is taking good part in the PIRAMAL Enterprises Group. Now, PIRAMAL Group has got offices in over 30 countries. Its brand presence is in over 100 global markets. Its teams have over 15,000 people from 21 diverse nationalities. It is valued at over $10 billion. Now, it has got diverse interests in pharma, financial services, information management, real estate, and glass packaging. Its philosophy is doing well and doing good. You must do it well and you must do it very good. It has got 3 decades of pursuing a twin strategy of growth through organic and inorganic routes both. Now, PIRAMAL Foundation is, of course, its philanthropic arm. Its sustainable development programs are there in 21 Indian states, usually run in combination with the central and state governments. It has touched about 9 crore people till today. Now, it has got 3 focus areas. One is healthcare through PIRAMAL Swasthya. Now, all these are under PIRAMAL Foundation. Healthcare is PIRAMAL Swasthya, education is PIRAMAL Foundation for Educational Leadership, and clean drinking water as PIRAMAL Sarva Jal. Now, PIRAMAL Group itself has got 4 divisions. PIRAMAL Enterprises Limited, which is the listed arm, PIRAMAL Glass, PIRAMAL Realty, and PIRAMAL Foundation. Now, PIRAMAL Enterprises Limited, which is the listed arm, it has got its own divisions. PIRAMAL Pharma Division, which has got pharma solutions, critical care, consumer products, and phytomedicines TM. And PIRAMAL Enterprises has got, apart from pharma, financial services. Financial services, PIRAMAL Capital and Housing Finance Limited, PCHFL. Indus Growth Partners, India Resurgence Fund. So these are all financial services. Now, healthcare insights and analytics, that is another arm. And the last one, PIRAMAL Realty, which was being taken care of by ANAND PIRAMAL. It has got 5 or 6 divisions like PIRAMAL Mahalakshmi, Aranya, Revanta, Vaikunta, Agastya. PIRAMAL Foundation charity arm we have seen earlier. Now we will go to the annual results of PIRAMAL Enterprises Limited. I will take you through 18th March year ending 18th March, 17th March and 16th March, 15th March and 14th March, 5 years, and year on year and year on 5 years. The revenue from operations in the latest year, that is 2018 March ending, has crossed 10,581 crores. Just before the marriage of Anand, the revenues have crossed 10,581 crores. Earlier it was 8,481 crores, still earlier 6,351 crores, still earlier 5,110 crores, still earlier 4,491 crores. So the year-on-year growth compared to the previous year, it is 25% growth, and year on 5 years growth is 136%. So good growth. As far as the revenue is concerned, it's quite a good growth. And if you look at the profit after tax, the profit after tax is now 4,840 crores compared to just 1,082 crores in the previous year, 711 crores in its previous year, 2,690 crores in its previous years. Of course, that had an exceptional item of revenue, and its previous year was a loss of 498 crores. So from a loss of 498 crores to a gain of to a net profit of 4,840 crores plus, it's a long journey in 5 years. Now 347 growth was year on year, 973% growth 5 years, in 5 years. Now EPS growth is similar. Market price is 2,220. Now based on last year's price, EPS and current price, the price earning is 7.9. So 7.9 is quite good. But let us see whether it has maintained in the quarterly progress. Quarterly progress is good, but not as good as that annual results. Net sales are 3,489 crores in the quarter ending December 18. 3,489 crores in quarter ending December 18. Its previous quarter, September quarter, was 3,144 crores. And 5 year same quarter last year, that is December 17, 2,858 crores. See, 3,489 crores latest quarter, 3,144 crores previous quarter, 2,858 crores 5 quarters before, that is last year same quarter. Now year on year growth is 22%, which is not bad. Even quarter on quarter growth is 11%, so that also is not bad. Now let us come to net profits. I am skipping the other small details. They are not very required, except in June quarter there was a exceptional item. So 452 crores some exceptional item was there, that we are not much bothered. Now it's not either in the previous quarter or in the same quarter earlier. Net profit is 536 crores. Previous quarter was 407 crores, and same quarter last year was 440 crores. 536 crores latest versus previous quarter 407 crores and 440 crores same quarter last year. So which means 22% growth year on year and 31.6% growth quarter on quarter. So both are quite good. Equity share capital is 36.6%, basic EPS is 30.41, market price is 2,220, that is latest today. Price earning is now 18.26. So it is not bad. 18.26 is not bad, but not as good as 7.5. You can agree on that. So last year's revenue, if you compare, it is 7.5, something like that. Whereas if you compare the quarterly results, annualized, the price earning comes by 18.25. Now the volumes are reasonable, 1,32,000, something like that. So buying and selling is easy. That is one point you need to remember always. The 52-week low is 17 1797. Current price is 2220. 52-week low is 1797. 52-week high was 3302. It had gone up to 3202 during the year. Why it has fallen? Market has fallen. See, it is a market phenomenon, not a phenomenon peculiar to Piramal Enterprises. The book value is quite good, 1438. Book value is reasonably good, very strong. So based on that book value, it can build its business further. Market cap is 40,832 crores. That's also quite good. Dividend payments are also reasonably good. On a year-on-year basis, whether the price has increased or decreased, no, it has fallen by 15% as on date. And why is that? Because of the correction which is there. But Piramal Group is a forward-bound group. Now that Anand has joined after his marriage, and I don't know whether ISHA Ambani also will be inducted into the board. She also seems to be quite capable. Whether she will take part in her father-in-law's empire, like she was taking part in Mukesh Ambani's empire. She is quite efficient also. So now the Piramal Enterprises is strengthened. Let us see how it works out in future. The financial services arm has contributed revenue about 54%. So its loan book is about 51,335 crores. Return on equity is 19.4%, something like that. So financials are strong, and pharma also revenue contribution is said to be 35%. So that's also quite good. Then consumer products are there. Healthcare revenue contribution is 11%. So this is as on today. You can go on discussing a lot of other things also, but not necessary. Now the management is competent. See, that is one of the most important. The management is ambitious also. See, they have gone, they have doubled their revenues in 5 years. They have more than doubled their profits in 5 years. Now the market price will follow suit. Market price has not increased in the last 1 year. That is because of 2018 was an exceptionally dull year. So don't go by 2018. So I have a feeling that this Piramal Enterprises is one of the groups worth watching and worth investing slowly. It's not committing any mistakes, major mistakes anyway, and it has got wonderful CEOs to aid and advise. Mukesh Ambani is there, and Piramals themselves are one of the greatest entrepreneurs. So let us hope that the Piramal Group is one of the groups to watch for all investors. Okay, you may be a small cap investor normally, mid cap investor, but don't limit it like that. You can invest in large cap also in tranches, in small SIP units. So good luck to you. We'll meet again with another wonderful company. Thank you.